It started with a silence so eerie, even the animals knew something was wrong. The ocean receded, revealing the seafloor, a sight no one thought was possible. Tourists ran toward it, locals stood frozen. Minutes later, walls of water came roaring in. It was the morning of December 26, 2004. A magnitude 9.1 to 9.3 earthquake struck off the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, the third largest quake ever recorded. The Earth's crust shifted violently, rupturing along a 1,600-kilometer fault line. What followed was one of the deadliest tsunamis in history. The tsunami raced across the Indian Ocean at over 800 kilometers per hour. It hit Indonesia within 15 minutes, Thailand in 90 minutes, Sri Lanka, India, and the Maldives not long after. Even as far as Somalia, waves surged onto the coast 8 hours later. Over 230,000 people lost their lives. Entire towns were wiped off the map. In Banda Aceh, Indonesia, 167,000 people were killed. In Sri Lanka, over 35,000. India lost nearly 16,000. More than 1.7 million were displaced across 14 countries. This wasn't just a wave, it was a series of waves, some as tall as 30 meters. The earthquake had uplifted the seafloor, displacing massive volumes of water. The lack of a tsunami warning system in the Indian Ocean meant millions had no idea what was coming. The world responded with one of the largest humanitarian aid efforts in history. In its wake, the tragedy spurred the creation of the Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System. But for the survivors, the scars remain. Many are still rebuilding physically and emotionally. Nature's power is unforgiving, but it often arrives with a whisper before the roar. The 2004 tsunami is a grim reminder that in the face of natural disasters, awareness and preparation can be the line between life and death.